Hello there, we're coming to you from inside the Heathrow Terminal 4, which is the second busiest airport in the world. And why is it particularly busy today? Because a lot of Gujaratis are here at the Heathrow Terminal Airport because this is the first flight of Air India which flies direct to Ahmedabad and non-stop. And these are some of the first passengers to be on board that flight.
We're very pleased. We are very pleased that the flight has started direct because we travel at least 2-3 times a year for Dada Bhagwan in Adalaj, the Sankul. And lot of people would be very, very happy for that because the lot of Mahatmas, we travel from all over the world, but especially to go to Adalaj, Ahmedabad. The people would be really pleased, and many thanks for that, and I hope it continues for long time. Thanks.
Okay, so at least 2 or 3 times a year, you said.
I'm very excited that I'm traveling direct to Ahmedabad. I would have to normally take a stop at Bombay, but this is 9.5 hours continuous flight. And it's going right to where I have to go to Adalaj, the Tri Mandir, and I'm quite excited that it's a straightforward flight and no stopping anywhere.
Yeah. So I'm going to ask you this. This has been a long wait, right? This has been a long-standing demand. 5 to 6 years has been the demand for a direct non-stop flight, but it's happened only now. Would you think that's because the person at the center has made it happen?
Yes, obviously, the person at the center made it happen. Without his initiative, I don't think so we would be flying today directly. And as I mentioned previously, thanks to Mr. Modi, he started his good initiative. As you said, there are 6 lakh Gujaratis living here in the UK. And we are absolutely delighted. Can't express my happiness at all, really.
Especially with the kids, it's very, very helpful. Yeah.
It's easy when it's direct and it's a shorter flight.
Very, very easy with the kids. Very like.
Kids are not cranky anymore. Where are you off to? Where are you off to?
Where are you off to?
School. No.
It's home to home.
No, you're going to someplace fun. You're going back home to grandparents. Enjoy your flight. There are some perks that the home district of a senior politician gets every time he's an MP, etc. But then when he is the Prime Minister, then it is bound that the home district will enjoy certain benefits, and so that is being reaped here by several lakhs of Gujaratis who live here in London City. Are you guys going to be packing a lot of khakras and theplas back home?
If you want, we can bring it over.
Yes, I do. Methi theplas for me.
Yeah, we've taken some for the flight.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Modi, Narendra Bhai Modi. Thanks very much.
So, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Ahmedabad, are you traveling to?
We're going to Ahmedabad.
Yeah. So, are you happy? I asked the same question to somebody. Are you happy that it's going to be a shorter journey now?
Yes, very nice.
Very happy,
8 hour and 20 minutes we are in Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is it so important to have a non-stop flight? How often does the business?
Busy schedule now. People like to go quicker and come back quick now these days.
Come this side, come
mostly Indian young generation, all involved in like working class people, like highly qualified jobs, right? So they got only limited time to go. Right? If they want to go, they're always looking for a short journey. Right? That's the best thing to do. It's a short journey from London to Ahmedabad. It's very easy for everybody to convince. They save the one day by the return and come back. Before we used to,
if you want to do it the same day, you can be back.
Yeah, back.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
So this is going to be a 3 times a week. Are you going now just because it's the first flight, or are you going because you generally have work?
We going because we have an important thing. Our Guru Bap, Pramukh Swami Bapa.
So you are going on some work. Going to pack a lot of dhoklas and khakras and theplas back?
Thepla, dhokla, bhakri, everything.
Do I get it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy. Safe flight, all of you. So this is a lot of paperwork that's going on. It's a busy time at the Heathrow Airport. It's the first time. Thank you. Enjoy your flight. Safe flight. So, like I said, this is the first time that this is going to be a non-stop flight, running full at the moment, because the appetite has been just so much. This particular line or route has had a lot of traffic, but until now, people who wanted to go to Ahmedabad or any part of Gujarat would have to go via Mumbai. But now Air India has launched this direct non-stop flight, which also goes to Mumbai afterwards. So for the Gujarati community particularly, it's a big thumbs up. Radhika Iyer from inside the Heathrow International Airport for Out of England.